Yo, what's up guys? There's this story and nayo nyaya iri kusiririsa guys. Dobba Don watoziva uya. Dobba Don is not well guys. Dobba Don has been doing drugs and right now Dobba Don ari kutopenga chaiko. Akutofamba chinonga mumabin Dobba Don. Things are not okay guys. If there are people who can help this guy guys, please, it's an emergency. This guy is not well guys. Vana Zimbabwe Music Awards guys, this is the time yekuti vapindirire. Those agencies guys, this is the time yekuti vapindirire vate help this guy guys. This guy is super talented. We all know masongs ake, those hit songs guys. Vana Martin Kuru vakamboburitsa kudhara. Everyone in Zimbabwe here aijamba guys. It's time yekuti remember this guy panguva yakadai guys. This guy needs to be taken to a rehab guys. This guy is a national treasure. We cannot leave him like this guys. At the end of this video, I'll show you this video rake guys. Dobba Don angorima streets guys, pakaipa.
Dobba Don, woman, something must be done, woman. We are all musicians. Something must be done, woman. Dobba Don, this guy, what drugs, church. But not have enough Zimura, National Arts Council of Zimbabwe. These are the things that should be looked at. Of course, I'm not Australia, but I know about Tirwa. Right here in iFood, this is Dobba Don. I can't help now because I'm in a hurry and something's going on. I only had to take this video.